I'm getting key error in Python. In my Python program, I am getting this error from this code. Can anyone please explain why this is happening?
A key error generally means the key doesn't exist. So, are you sure the path key exists? From the official Python docs. Exception key error. Raised when a mapping, dictionary, key is not found in the set of existing keys. For example, so, try to print the content of men_entry and check whether path exists or not. Or, you can do
I fully agree with the key error comments. You could also use the dictionary's get a method as well to avoid the exceptions. This could also be used to give a default path rather than none as shown below.
For dict, just use if key in dict. And don't use searching in keylist. If key in dict.keys. The latter will be more time consuming.
Yes, it is most likely caused by non-existent key. In my program, I used setDefault to mute this error, for efficiency concern. Depending on how efficient is this line. I am new to Python 2. In fact, I have just learned it today. So forgive me on the ignorance of efficiency. In Python 3, you can also use this function. It is said that it will never raise a key error.
Let us make it simple if you're using Python 3. If you need else condition. For the dynamic key value, you can also handle through try exception block.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.